Hello, nature enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel, Endless Explorer. Today, we're exploring the incredible story of the Bornean peacock pheasant. This medium-sized, incredibly rare bird is found only in the lowland forests of Borneo. Known for being elusive, these birds prefer roaming the forest floor or perching in trees during the day. Males of the species can reach up to 17 inches in length. They are adorned with vibrant metallic green eye spots on their tails and wings, along with a metallic blue-green crest. Additionally, they have a purplish-green breast adorned with a white throat patch. In contrast, females are slightly smaller, measuring around 15 inches. They display duller brown plumage and do not possess the distinctive spurs that are characteristic of males. First sighted in central Kalimantan, Indonesia, it was rarely observed until the early 20th century. In Sabah, Malaysia, it was first documented in the Paitan area during the 1890s. This region is now largely deforested, and searches conducted from 1938 to 1939 failed to locate any birds. Despite the efforts of numerous birdwatchers and researchers, verified sightings have been so scarce that many feared it might be extinct in Sabah. Over a century later, in January 1996, a second specimen, an adult male, was collected in the ambiguous location of Ulu Tongod Forest Reserve near Telupid. In May-June 2016, the species was camera-trapped in the North Qamut Forest Reserve in central Sabah. The primary threat to the Bornean peacock pheasant is extensive deforestation. Borneo's forests have been subjected to rampant logging and conversion to agricultural land, particularly for palm oil plantations. Recently, a local guide discovered the species surviving unnoticed in Telupid Forest Reserve complex, prompting the creation of a dedicated hide for observation. This facility enables researchers and wildlife enthusiasts to observe the peacock pheasant without disturbance. The footage in this video was captured from this hide. The Bornean peacock pheasant's plight highlights the urgent need for conservation to protect Borneo's remaining forests. Stay tuned for more adventures, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for all the updates. Until next time, happy exploring.